Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 that is freezing or just kind of like running slow. Now, the first thing you want to do is free up some storage space. So you might not have a lot of storage space, so delete some of these games. So the best thing to do is probably just go to settings right here and then go to storage. And we can see exactly how much storage space we have. So if we only have like maybe 50 gigabytes of free space or maybe even 100, we do not have enough space for our PlayStation really to function. So we want to delete and make some space under here. So let's go to applications and then just delete a few games. So we have maybe at least between 180 gigabytes left. So we have any room for downloads. Now another thing that could be causing an issue is one of these themes in the background. Some of these themes are very resource intensive. So let's go to themes. And just choose a theme that is static and it's not moving around or anything. So just choose something very basic. So if you got a moving theme, that could be causing an issue as well. Then if you got one of those PlayStation 4s, you could try turning off boost mode. Maybe that's causing an issue. And then once we delete all the games and nothing else seems to be working, hold down the PlayStation button, go to power, and then go to turn off PS4. We can increase the performance by going to rebuild database in the safe mode menu, and then also applying a fresh copy of the system software update. So once this is turned off, let's go down. Here's my PlayStation 4. Plug your controller in with a USB charging cable. This will allow us to operate the safe mode menu. Go to your PlayStation, wait for this light to stop blinking. Once it does, hold down the power button. And you'll hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear a second beep. When you hear that second beep, go ahead and let go. Then go back up to your screen with your controller plugged in. And you're going to get this option. It says press the PlayStation button with the power cable plugged in. Okay, I did it. Now go on down to where it says option number 3, update system software, right here. Then go to update using internet. And then this is going to allow you to apply a fresh copy of the system software update. And you should be good to go. Here's the current version, 12.52. So do this. And then you want to come back to safe mode after you apply a fresh copy. And go down to option number 5, rebuild database, right here. And if there's any kind of issue with your hard drive, this should fix it. Now it says it's going to take a few hours. My experience, it only takes like 30 seconds, so not very long. And I have an SSD installed on my PS4. That is why. So that's another thing that you can do. If you go onto Amazon.com, you can buy a 1 to 2 terabyte SSD that will fit inside your PlayStation 4 that will dramatically increase the speed in which your PS4 functions. So if it takes like 5 minutes to load up Minecraft, it will only take up like a minute and a half to load it up and start it up. So look into that. SSDs for your PS4 are very inexpensive for 1 to 2 terabytes. You're looking at like $40 off of Amazon. Catch it on a good deal, you could get it for $30 for 1 to 2 terabytes. And that will make the biggest increase in performance that you've ever seen on your PS4. So you can go from maybe like a 5-minute to like a 1 or 2 minute load up time for Grand Theft Auto. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.